If you have brown eyes, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you my signature brown eye look that I do when I want to be glam, but I don't want to be too glam, so I hope you enjoy. I need more people to try using a tone-up cream as an eyeshadow makeup base. This technique is literally the antithesis of 2016 eye makeup because there's no creamy pot concealer involved, no heavy foundation placed on your eyelids before you go in with eyeshadow. It evens out the skin tone, and if you have veiny eyelids like I do, this is the perfect amount of coverage. It doesn't pill and it's so buildable. Don't ask me how I got such veiny eyelids at a young age. I think it's from all the crying that I've done. But I think that's why my lashes are so long. Let's just say that they get watered every day. I swear I'm not depressed, I'm just a crybaby. A moment of appreciation for the Danessa Myricks palette. This is the warm toned one. I'm gonna get my hands on the cool toned one because it's absolutely gorgeous. I would just be careful using this with water-based products because it does have squalene in it, which I feel like disrupts the base if you don't have a strong setting powder. Luckily, I did use the Huda Beauty setting powder that does have talc in it, so I think that was the perfect way to set everything before I went in with the shadows. Side note, I did download Substack recently, so if you have any favorite creators in any niche, please comment them down below and I'll give them a follow. Book recommendations are also welcome. I need to read so many books this year, but I'm thinking of organizing everything by downloading an app. I heard Fable is really good, but if you guys have any other suggestions, please let me know. I need to recommend this gel liner by MERZY. I have it in black and brown. This one that I'm using is called Sienna Brown, and I've used it on my lips and I've gotten so many compliments. The only downside is that it doesn't sharpen very well, so it's a pretty blunt tip. In the last couple of weeks, I've been in the market for a new liquid liner, and this one by ABH Cosmetics is to die for. The color is literally melted milk chocolate. Like, it's so stunning. The applicator is sharp and stiff, which is beautiful for a sharp wing liner. The only downside, which isn't really a downside, it's more of an application issue, is the formula will stiffen up your lashes. So I would recommend running a spoolie through with some water, and be sure to let your lashes dry before you curl them, otherwise they won't hold the curl. If you're wondering, yes, I am wearing contact lenses. This pair is from Olens in the style VV Ring in the color Chalk Cocoa. I'll be using Eternal Lash, of course. This is the style Wink in the color brown. I have a theory that lash glue shrinks when it dries, so that's why I put an excess amount on the inner and outer corner. That way, when it shrinks, it doesn't shrink too far away from those areas. I actually have a couple tips on lash application and just lashes in general, so if you guys want a video on that, let me know. These brown lashes would look so good with some bleach brows. Going in with my favorite mascara by Judy Doll. It's the Judy Doll Curling Iron. This one is in number 2, which is brown. I need more brown mascaras, but I'm obsessed with this rod. It gets every lash, but in the least clumping way possible. This is the final look. Let me know what you think, and I hope you guys have a chance to try this brown look for yourself.